Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to exit a parallel parking spot. It's actually a really simple process and I'll be outlining it in a few simple steps. Now let's get right to it. As you can see, I'm in a parallel parking spot and these are the steps to exit one of them. Step number one is to reverse as much as you can without hitting the car behind you. Now I'm going to put the car into reverse right now. As you can see, I put it in reverse. I'm going to start moving backwards. Now I'm going to be honest with you, there's no car behind me because I looked for a parallel parking spot, but at this time in the morning, I only found one with a car in front of me. But you're going to reverse until you can't reverse anymore and you don't want to hit the car behind you. So let's say that I had to stop right here, okay? So there's that much space between my car and the car in front of me. Now I'm going to shift into drive. And what you want to do is you want to take your steering wheel, turn it all the way to the left in this case, all the way into the open road. So all the way to the left. I cannot turn the steering wheel anymore, okay? Now I'm going to start moving forward, holding the steering wheel here. You're going to be tempted to start turning back, but don't turn back yet. Hold the steering wheel here and watch as the front of my car, now that I see I've passed, the front corner of my car is past that car, I can start to straighten the steering wheel. So I've now turned the steering wheel straight. I'm going to move straight right now, just like this. And now that I sort of get my mirror sort of out of the way and past that car, now I can actually turn to the right a little bit. So I turned about, looks like about 3/4 of the way to a full turn to the right. Now I'm driving to the right. And now when I'm parallel with this car beside it, what I'm going to do is I'm now going to straighten the wheel and just drive straight. Just like that. It's very, very simple. Very, very simple. Now I'm going to show you another way if you don't have that much space. So let's go ahead. Let's just go behind the car one more time. Let's just parallel park again. Okay, let's just parallel park right over here just like this. Okay, making sure not to scrape anything. My car or their car. All right. So let me just get into the spot one more time and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's say that you don't have that much room. Let's just parallel park nice and straight one more time. Okay, so let's say I'm in the spot once again. I'm parallel parked in the spot. And let's say I reverse the car, okay? I reverse, you know, like I said, stop before you hit the car, and I stop. And let's just say that I don't have enough room. I put it in drive, okay? Turn the wheel all the way to the left, start moving, and I say, oh no, I don't have enough room. In reality, I probably do have enough room, but let's just say you don't have enough room. You're gonna throw the car in reverse again, turn all the way to the right, and once again, reverse as much as you can, inch your way in reverse until you can't reverse anymore. You've now placed your car at more of an angle. So shift back into drive, and now you should be able to get out of the spot. So you're basically adding another step, and you're putting your car at more of an angle. So if you can't get out of the spot just by reversing and turning your wheel out, then what you want to do is reverse, turn your wheel out. So like you'd reverse, turn your wheel out, reverse again to the side and turn your wheel out again, okay? So regularly, you would just reverse straight and turn your wheel out. But if you reverse straight, turn your wheel out, you can't go, then you want to reverse to the side and turn your wheel out. And that puts you at an additional angle, which just like this, will allow you to get out of the parking spot. And eventually, with enough practice, instead of doing it in multiple small steps, you can do it as one smooth movement, okay? When you leave that parking spot, instead of, you know, going on an angle, straight, and like that, you just leave in one smooth movement. And that's basically it. In this video, I've shown you how to exit a parallel parking spot. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what you think about this method in the comment section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.